ask me to tell you a little about myself, I don't think there is very much to say. I started flying in 1974, that's a long time ago. Different kinds of aeroplanes and helicopters. I left the Air Force in 2008 to continue flying and teaching flying with HAL, as you are all now aware. And I must say I've enjoyed every bit of my life and every bit of my flying. I have been in some tight situations. I have been fortunate to get out of them successfully. But I am not very sure whether I can agree with Mr. Varki when he calls me a hero. Because very honestly, the way I see it is, like all of you who are working, I am also trained to do a job. We are given a lot of training to handle emergencies if they take place. So when something goes wrong, we do whatever we are supposed to do and we try our best to retrieve the situation. I did that. When my engine failed, I had no option but to try and land the aeroplane safely. There was a field which was a little too far away. The only option was to try and land on a rooftop. And I can say with all honesty that I don't think there is any pilot in the world who could guarantee that he could do this. Which means that I was extremely lucky, and I know that someone up there was looking after me.
Everything that you'll have been a tremendous support to us even before the incident, and I know it's going to be wonderful to be a part of the community. But other than that, we are proud to have him as the living hero of our family, the head of our family, my husband, the father of our children. It's not only the first time where God has been wonderful and mightyful and giving his life back to us. It's been the second time. And we do know that it is nothing but God's grace which has brought him back to us. And I just trust the Lord will take care of us and our family all the days of our life. Thank you so much.
I'm actually very happy you brought that point up, because it is very rare that everybody does not realize that prompt action in attending to emergencies is not the prerogative only of the armed forces. Every citizen should be ready to jump into the fray and help somebody in distress. That's what they are trained to do. And I'm proud of my son. For that very reason, he did not hesitate when duty called outside his usual duties. So God bless him, and God bless all the rest of our people who have always been ready to answer the call of duty. That would be the prime thing to bring India up to world notice. God bless you all.